Hello, I'm Thomas with Special Event Sales, and today we're going to show you how to properly set up and dismantle Snaplock dance floor. Special Event Sales is the Canadian exclusive distributor of Snaplock dance floor. So these are 3 foot by 3 foot panels, and you'll notice there's a female loop side and a male peg side. So when we're laying out this floor, we want the loops to be going out in both directions of where we're laying. So that's the first tile. I'm going to just lay this second tile right on top here. So to lock these together, you don't need any tools. Simply step on the seam and these will lock together. So we're going to set up a 12 foot by 12 foot dance floor today here with edging. And you can just watch as I put this together. And then just continue on with your rows, locking these together. If you accidentally put together a tile in not the same way as the rest of them, you must disassemble the floor back to this point and put it the correct way. So at this point, our 12 foot by 12 foot floor is assembled and is ready to install the perimeter edging. So we have male edging, which has the pegs on it, like this one, and then we have the female edging with the loops. So generally what I do is I lay these down around the perimeter of the floor in approximately the right place. Then we'll do the same for the female edging, which is the loop side. We do have male and female corners for finishing off the corners. So this one is going to get one corner here, and then we'll put one of these here, one here, and there should be one here to start. So now we're going to put this perimeter edging on. Always start at a corner. Using a rubber mallet can make this part of the job easier. Let's lift up this last piece. So forth. So now we're going to start laying the female edging. Start here. And now instead of tapping the edging, we're just going to tap the floor here to lock together. There we have it. The entire 12 by 12 dance floor with perimeter edging is fully set up. Good idea to just observe your floor at this point make sure that everything is fitting together properly, that there's no pieces standing up that haven't been clipped together, but all in all, this is looking like a pretty good floor. Okay, now we're going to disassemble the dance floor. This is probably even more critical than the assembly of it, that you do this correctly. Because if you do not do this properly, you will break the loops and you will render your dance floor unusable. So please pay particular attention to this portion of the video. So we're going to start by removing the edging first. You can start in the corner, lift it up, and snap it down. Now we'll gather up our pieces, four corners. Gather up our nail edges. Okay, this is probably the most important part right now. We have all the edging removed. We're ready to disassemble the dance floor panels. So you'll remember that this was the last tile that we laid when we were setting up. So we want to start with that tile in our disassembly process. What we have here is just an ordinary broom handle, and the easiest way to disassemble is to lift up the last piece. Slide the broom handle in the seam, and simply unzip the floor. We can do all these sections right now. So now we have it unzipped here into the four sections. Next, we're going to split these panels. Simply lift up and they come apart. Never, never, ever try to lift up like this to split the floor. If you do this, you will break these loops and render your dance floor unusable. So always lift at the seam you want to split. So now the dance floor is all apart. I recommend storing your dance floor on the optional cart and storing it face to face so you don't damage the surface while in storage.